So if you caught my last video, you saw that we demoed the entire camper and found a lot of mold. So we're going to have to rebuild a lot of walls. So I thought since the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, I would go ahead and try to pressure wash everything on the outside and everything on top. I want to see the condition of the roof, so let's see how bad it is. Gonna take forever.
You want me to do it?
No.
But yeah, I know how to work the power washer. I have it on too loose.
There's no way to tighten that. No, there's no way to tighten it.
Here.
Yeah, see, your skin is soaked. Alright, well that didn't go very well. I'm not sure what was wrong with our old power washer, but it was like smelling like smoke a little bit and it was leaking all over the place. My shoes, my pants, everything got soaked. So we got rid of that and I borrowed this nice one from my friend. So hopefully now we can get some things done. All right, all finished with power washing the roof, and it really doesn't look too bad. It looks a lot cleaner, but there are a few problem areas that I'm not quite sure about. There are a few tears here and there, and I'm just not sure if I can repair them. So if you have experience with camper roofs, comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'll show you a couple of these areas here. There's one here, if you can see that. There's just this little tear, and there's just like just a few of those, like I think maybe 3 areas where it's like that. Obviously all of the pieces on top, like the refrigerator chimney here and some of the vents right here, and especially the AC unit, I do plan on taking out and resealing. I don't know if that's going to be enough, so I'm going to do a little bit more research, and if you know anything about campers and roofs, please let me know so we know how to make this as watertight as possible. I would appreciate it. Okay, so I will see you guys tomorrow because I'm going to power wash the rest of the camper. Oh boy, does it need it. Are you ready to work?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I fell asleep thinking how long you guys were taking to think.
Normally, I don't like cleaning, but today I've been dying to spray this door. Let's get cleaning. Goodbye, dirty baby.
With Dirty Diana.
Diana! Not so bad.
Like, my forearms are gonna be sore for days. Alright, all done. And oh my gosh, my arms hurt so bad. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna be sore for days. And the sad thing is, on the outside, you can't really tell that much of a difference at all. There is this one area, all of this like faded area has like a chalk to it, and I sprayed as much as I could, but there's still a chalk to it. But then also on the other side, there is a panel that the paint is perfectly fine. Like, there is no chalking and no chipping, nothing. It is very bizarre. But at this point, I feel like we probably need to take off the corners, get those cleaned up, get those sealed back on, along with the windows. And I'm pretty sure that I saw Keith peering around the corner, keeping an eye on when I'm going to be finished so he can start rebuilding the walls inside. So let's get going. All right, well, I need to take a break. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
If you're married, you can feel my pain. You know what the wife gets you in the middle of. Breaking a toilet.
We can't get to the bolt. So now we are breaking it. Oh, what's in there? Anything good? Yeah. Yucky.